Hi, good morning. Happy Friday. We made it to the end of the week and we are bracing for our next snowstorm. But this one will mainly be for the high country. Great for our ski resorts, but if you are skiing, boarding, traveling around the high country throughout the course of this weekend, this is a significant snowstorm. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings have been issued starting later on tonight through the day on Saturday. So let me show you the forecast. The Denver area should stay mainly dry, but also breezy with this system. 1 to 2 feet possible for a big portion of our northern central high country. The I-70 corridor will be impacted. Heaviest snow Saturday morning. So if you're going up to ski or board, definitely be prepared for winter driving conditions. We're also talking wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible over higher terrain. So it's going to get blustery, limited visibility, and definitely could be treacherous on the roads. But across the metro area this weekend, looking relatively nice. Gustiest winds Saturday, chance for a brief shower, clearing by nighttime, and then 40s on Sunday, 50s next week. Hope it's a wonderful day and weekend.